I'll show you the both wig. Here, soft hair. Hi everyone, we are from newlacecuassistenzaitalia and today I will show you one of our bob wig. And you can see this wig, it is 12-inch. See, very silky and smooth. And in the front it is lace. The knot it is very small and bleached knot. You can do deep parting, and the length about 4 inch. And also you can cut the bun in front, and you can do the hairstyle as you like this. And let's see the inside. It is medium size and the density is about 150. You can see this comb. You can use them or you can cut them, remove them, and you can wear the wig with no glue. If you want it very strong on your head, you can use the tip or glue in the front. And the size, medium size, you can also modify the size. This is elastic. You can make it smaller or bigger. And for this style, we have large stock in stock. So if you like, you can contact us.